Welcome back here to News Point. Well, nearly 2 months ago, I did an initial report about the spread of COVID-19 in jails.
We are on the leading edge of a response to this pandemic in the correctional environment.
And since then, Fox 59 has received dozens of your emails and calls, and most describe Marion County Jail as anything but a crisis response leader. Strict social distancing and cleaning are two vital protocols to fight COVID-19. One is harder to do than the other in jail, but two recently released inmates tell me neither is happening in Marion County.
It's spread like a wildfire. You're condemning me to death.
Kyle Henderson and Terrence Clark were both locked up in Marion County's Jail 2, operated by Core Civic. Henderson for drug possession charges.
And I'm having no problem admitting to that and doing my time.
Clark for burglary, theft, and several more charges. He says allegations aren't convictions, but as COVID-19 spreads, he believes it could be. Both men say there's not enough PPE.
Walking around with the mask on like a month and a half before we were. I mean, like a lot of times our masks, our shirts like this.
The county confirms staff voluntarily wore masks around March and were as needed for inmates. By April 5th, the county says it was mandatory for everyone.
Core Civic is they've passed out masks to the inmate population.
But Terrence says he spent all of March and most of April without a mask. That is until about a week before his April 27th release. Cleaning and isolation are other concerns.
Generally, in all housing units, every day, twice a day, the staff go around with a part bleach and part water solution where they spray down all high use and high traffic areas within the housing unit and in general areas.
After 3 people were tested positive on our dorm, and our dorm was quarantined, they never came and bleached anything down.
Another example the men bring up is one time they say COVID-19 positive inmates prepped their meal.
The kitchen dorm was then quarantined, so at that point, I think we demanded like a chief or some type of rank come speak to us because everybody else just kind of just waves it off.
For those demands, Terrence says a guard threatened him with segregation, at which point the men said the dorm did consider getting physical. The deputy chief has no record of Terrence's account, but says this.
Anyone who has been tested and test positive, they would not work anywhere outside of the housing unit, particularly the kitchen, but they would remain in isolation, quarantine for the period of time deemed appropriate by the medical advice.
For this month, the jail administrators say they've seen a big decrease in cases. Jail 1 with 2 cases reported early in the month and 21 in Jail 2. Now, if inmates have problems, they say that they should contact any staff member at Marion County who is inside that jail. You can also contact me at edmay@fox59.com.